Today we're doing a review on flagship of MOVA P50 Pro Ultra. So it's a nice MOVA. It has AI, so it has a dual camera. This specific one has camera and also flashlight, as you can see. These guys are extendable, so it extends the arm whenever it's around the edges. It also, this mop pad will also extend, so it comes out for cleaning under the places that usually the robots can. So we see it is going all through the edges. It's vacuuming and mopping at the same time, and right now the mop is coming out as well. You can see the mop is cleaning all the edges. It's coming out, so it cleans the edges as smooth and as clean as possible. I'm gonna spill some coffee and see how it goes. It's gonna see the coffee. Now what it does, it turn off the vacuum right away as soon as it see the spill, and it's gonna go just with the mopping. So it's not vacuuming anymore, it just mops right now. It has a very smart AI, so now it's going around the spill, it's mopping it, it's going on top of the spill very gently. Wow, that's a black coffee that I put. It's all gone, so it bring all the spills away. It's probably gonna do one more time. Yeah, that's amazing. So it takes all the spill away. Okay, let's do a spill check. Coffee stain. Let's see how it goes. It's almost nothing, so it actually done a very good job. I'm really surprised. It's on one go. Clean it as much as possible. Now it's seeing those dirt, so I put a lot of dirt. That's why the vacuum has gone automatically to the max vacuum. So it's going very smoothly. See, these are wet. I put what I did, I remove it with the vacuum alone, but as soon as it switched to vacuum and mop, it removed it very smoothly in just one go.
Videosunda da görüyoruz ki.
Neyse önemli değil, devam et. Ha, Cupid bu. O sırada buraya açayım. Tamam. Cupid'u göstermeyelim çok fazla. Tamam. Gayet iyi.
match, si le score reste en l'état.
On a bien compris, mais il y a quelque chose peut-être. Enfin, ils sont demain. Décidément, ils voient demain partout. C'est bien, je ne l'ai pas vu. Allez, c'est pas. Allez, de l'autre côté, pourquoi pas. C'est le bon sens, ouais, le très beau McAllister avec Félix, très bien défendu. McAllister, franchement. Allez, gros geste défensif, effectivement. Un petit peu plus offensif que ce qu'il savait que c'est 0-0. Mais on savait que ça allait être un match serré, pas forcément fermé, mais où l'impact de l'intensité a quand même été parfois à la limite. Très très plaisant et je trouve un nul logique à avoir la grande occasion de gagner.
Starts charging. Starts charging. Start auto empty. Start cleaning mop pads.
Ça.
这个指令是